So you've just had it done.
Yes.
And I mean, I know you were very nervous a little while ago.
Yep.
And how did you?
I found the experience from start to end like absolutely blew my expectations.
Yeah.
I don't feel any pain at the moment. I'm so happy with the results.
Yes.
Immediate results.
Immediate.
Yes.
And I mean, as you know, you've been suffering with this a long time.
Yes.
And I mean, you weren't even aware it was available. Such a quick and easy procedure.
Not at all. I saw it on international
Right.
level, but
Yes.
I didn't think it's available here.
Yes.
So I'm so happy with
Yeah.
the results.
And then, I mean, you know, this morning we went through it and we sort of showed you what maybe could be achieved.
Yes.
And there was about 2 centimeters too high, the hairline. But the hairline's beautiful. I mean, you've got a perfect
It's perfect
hairline.
now.
And so all we did was cut out that little piece of skin,
Yes.
brought it down, and instant gratification.
It makes all the difference.
Yeah, and it's like just you look at yourself in the mirror now.
Yes.
Different.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I don't have to wear this headband that I always wear to
Yeah.
cover my head. I have confidence now. So
Yeah. No, you can see, and just the way you're feeling. I mean, you've achieved what. Yeah, incredible.
I can't believe it.
No, it is. It's a very rewarding procedure, and if only people knew about it, because you don't have hair loss. You
Yeah.
just had a genetically high forehead. That's all. And by reducing that, your whole face has changed instantly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And there's not even a lot of like risk or
Yes.
side effects
Yeah.
to it. So
Yeah.
it's definitely worth it. I would recommend it to anybody.
And from a pain point of view, from start to finish, zero.
Nothing.
Not even that first injection,
Nothing
eh?
at all. No pain.
No,
I'm so
excellent.
happy.
Yeah,
Can't
excellent.
wait.
No, but we'll follow up with it. You know, now it's just a matter of keeping the bandage on for a day or two.
Yes.
And then you'll see, you know, it starts healing up and it's going to take time to heal.
Yes.
The other interesting thing with you, as we discussed, your hairline's not perfectly straight. It was a little bit skew, but we don't want to change you, you know. So all we've done is really reduce that hairline and brought it down to where it should have been.
Yep.
So it's totally natural.
Yep.
Yeah, fantastic. No, well, I'm pleased.
Thank you, Dr.
Okay, pleasure.
Best in the business, as you say.
Thank you.